Hey guys, I'm in Central Park. I was live earlier and I said I would bring you some cool stuff. So, I'm gonna bring you some cool stuff. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's just a beautiful day here in Central Park until that. Guys, that is known as a red-tailed hawk. Okay, for the first time ever, I'm putting a disclaimer on my video. I'm an animal lover. I'm a bird lover. I love squirrels, cats, dogs, cows, whatever. I love animals. And I shot some video that might be disturbing to some of you. I'm gonna post it. A red-tailed hawk caught a squirrel and ate the squirrel. If you are a squirrel lover, this video will not be for you. The squirrel was dead when I got here, but it ain't no McDonald's for birds in Central Park. They're gonna eat squirrels. In my live earlier, that I would take them birding in Central Park and I would post up some dope ass pictures. Well, I posted some dope ass pictures. You're gonna see them in this video. I want to say you're gonna enjoy it, but I don't know if you're gonna enjoy it. I'll try to post up the less graphic ones of a red-tailed hawk eating in Central Park. You know, they don't eat bird seed, bro. You know, they don't eat donuts and Big Macs. They eat pigeons and other birds and other things they can eat. And this particular one caught himself a squirrel. So please watch, and if it gets too gross, I apologize.
Okay, this is kind of gross. He's just swinging a squirrel around. He's gonna eat it. He's gonna swallow every bit of it. Looks like he's slurping it up like spaghetti. I'm an animal lover, so I'm torn because I love squirrels, but you gotta eat, bruh. You gotta eat. And it's amazing footage.
Alright, that was your favorite YouTuber, Boogie Bob, coming live from Central Park. Let me show you guys Central Park. That's the boathouse right there. I'm getting ready to go over to Cinderella's playground. I don't even know what it's called, but it's got some really cool statues and stuff. But I'm going to be live for that. Alright guys, I'm after 6.5 hours. I'm almost home. But my battery's dead, so I'll leave it here and say thanks for tuning in. I hope you had a good time. I hope you enjoyed my pictures and my video and my music. And I'm trying to grow the channel, so if you're already subscribed, tell a friend. You love your friends, right? I know you love me because I love you. Tell your grandma to subscribe. I hate doing a 6-hour live and I don't even get one subscriber. I'm way too hot and way too dope to have one subscriber a week. Either that or I'm whack and I just don't know it. That could be. Either way, as always, please be kind and loving to each other, and I'll talk again real soon. Peace.
But wait, there's more.
That's a downy woodpecker. Pecking away. He likes to hang upside down and peck on shit. Right now we're doing food out of that feeder. Okay, that's a mourning dove. And that is a titmouse. Very cute. Very cute titmouse. Over here we have a couple goldfinches, male and female. Typically the males are always more colorful. It helps them with mating. That's a titmouse. Look at his big eye, he's so cute. I told you there's some big ass fish in this pond. That's a koi, like a giant goldfish, like a carp. There are dozens of them in here, but they're like 3 feet long. Look how big that one is. Look how far away it is. It's a really big fish. I bet that one's 15 pounds. But he's not even the big one. There's a lot in here way bigger than him.